Hello student. Now we have today the questions that we will find out the electric field on axial line. Okay. We have to find out the electric field on the axial lines due to a dipole. Okay. Suppose, I have questions electric field on axial lines of an electric dipole. Is it clear? We can see that we have here negative charge and here is the positive charge. That means you can say A and B, there are 2 points in which at point A there is a negative minus Q charge, at point B here is a plus Q charge. And 2A is the distance between them. Suppose that here O is the midpoint or the center of this dipole, then here will A and that will also A. Can we write here? Okay. Now, if you will find out the electric field on the axial line, axial means the same line. Assume that here is the P, along the same lines. P be a point along the axial line where the electric field E have to find. Okay. Now see that suppose the distance between P and O from the centers, I have assumed R is the distance between them, and so electric field will due to these poles, here is the negative charge and you know that where we find out that is the positive, so it will move towards like that. So the direction will here towards A, but due to B the direction from this it will be away from this. Okay, now we have to find out the electric fields on these points. So first you write this. You can consider. You can write that. Let us consider an electric dipole consisting of charge minus Q and plus Q, which is placed at a distance 2A, and P be a point on axial line where the electric field can be find. Okay, so this theoretical part that we have to mention. So therefore you will write here E equal to EA plus EB. Can we write? Means electric field you will find out. Here E is equal to EA plus EB, and now you can find out. Therefore EA equal to, and that you can write also in the form of mod of. So what is the formula of electric field that we got from the electric field due to a point charge? We can write here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance square. This is the A, so you will take this distance, that is the PA. But what is the value of PA? You can see that from this point P to A, here is the R, and this A will add this one. So here will be R plus A. Total you will take R plus A. This you will take from here to here. Is it clear? So you can put here E vector E, or you can also write in the mod. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A. This you will write here. Similarly also you will find out for which case, but you know that in the electric fields, we have formula by using the Gauss law. So here will also you can write the square, so here will also square. And same process, similarly you can write EB equal to what you will write, or vector mod of vector E EB equal to, you will write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by distance square. Distance, that means you will take here, which points you will take? PB. Is it clear? PB square. Or you can write EB equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, what is the value of PB? Now total here is the R and this is the A. So here will be R minus A. Can we write here? This will be R minus A. Okay. So put the value. So here will R minus A and then whole square. Okay, student, you see that we got both the value E and EB. Now can you differentiate which one is the greater? This value or this value? What is the EA is equal to, here you can see here is the plus and here is the minus. Which one will be the greater? You know very well, if the denominator term is bigger, so that value will smaller. Is it clear? And here is the smaller. Why? Because here is the negative sign. Is it clear? And all terms are remains the same. That's why you have to see that you already know that if the denominator term will smaller, the value will bigger and denominator will bigger than smaller. Okay. So since you can write here, since EB is greater than EA, therefore E equal to, this you can write, okay, factor equal to, what you can write? EB minus EA. Can we write like that? And already you have value, you can substitute here. After substituting, what you will write? You can put this value. So here you can write equal to EB. What is the value of EB? This 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus A whole square. Okay. Minus EA value, you have this one. Put this value also. So you will write here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus A whole square. Can you write here? Okay. Now here is the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and Q is the same. So you can take common here. So equal to, you will write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q and, okay, you take LCM. So here will be R minus A whole square minus 1 by R plus A, okay, whole square. This you can write here. Okay. Now take LCM this one. So equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into, you will write here, take LCM, A minus B and A plus B. So you will write here A, that is the R square minus A square, but in both the term having the square, so you will write also whole square. Okay. So here will be divide by this. So which term will cancel out? This will be cancel out. Here will only which term? R plus A whole square minus, here will R minus A whole square. This you can write. Is it clear? Okay. Now you can break this one A plus B and here A minus B in the form. So you can write this. Here is a smaller space, so you can adjust here. Okay. So you will write E and it is in the axial form. So E axial. Axial you can also write here. E axial equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Okay. Q, and by breaking this one, you will write here R square minus A square whole square and write out here. So A plus B whole square, that is the A square, that is the R square, plus B square, that is the A square. A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2RA. Okay, minus is here. Same process here you will also break second term. So A square plus B square, but minus is here. So here will minus A square and next minus. So here will be plus 2 RA. This you will write now. Now you can cancel out some terms. Which one will cancel out? Which one? Here will be A square plus B square, minus and minus. I think that plus minus will cancel out, no? which term will cancel out? This a square and a square cancel out. Okay, here r square and r square will cancel out. Is it clear? So you can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into, here will be 2RA and here 2RA. So here will be 4RA divided by r square minus a square and whole square. But we have formula, you know that electric dipole moment. What is the formula of electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment, you know that the either charge or length of the dipole. So length is 2a, either charge this or that you can take here. Means you have formula since p is equal to q into 2a. This you can write now. So you can write therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and here will be what? At the place 2 q a. So here will be what you can write, or q into 2a into 2r divided by r square minus a square and then whole square. Can you write here? Okay. Students, here are you able to see? Here is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into. Okay. Now here you will write P. Therefore you can write which one? E axial equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here will be 2pr divided by r square minus a square and then whole square. Okay, that will be the final answer. Okay, this will be final answer. So this got you in the form of which one? In the magnitude. Okay, but also you can write in the vector forms. In vector form, what you will write? You can write E axial. Okay, vector E axial is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught to vector P, here r and r square minus a square and then whole square. Okay, this you can write here. Here is a square, a space, due to small space. Students, are you able to see? Okay, you can see by zooming your camera. Okay, so this is the formula that we got by using, okay, the dipoles on the axial line. Is it clear? So I think that you should write this question also. Okay, and such type of questions you will use to solve the numericals. Okay, student, thank you.